Forgot iPhone 13 passcode. How to factory reset iPhone 13 without passcode. If you lost your passcode, PassFab iPhone Unlocker could help you reset your iPhone without passcode. You can get this tool from PassFab official website. Connect your iPhone to the computer and run PassFab iPhone Unlocker. Here in the Unlock iOS screen option, click Start. Read the disclaimer and click Next. Now, you should put your iPhone into recovery mode so that it could be recognized by the software. Quickly press volume up and volume down button, then hold power button until your iPhone shows connect to iTunes. Download matching firmware. Then click Start Remove. Then you can set up your iPhone. If you enabled Find My iPhone before, you can factory reset your iPhone from iCloud. You should log into iCloud first. Select Find My feature. Choose your iPhone in All Devices tab. Erase iPhone. And remove from account.